Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, and I just came out for my little walk. And look how beautiful it is. See the sun, blue sky. There's the ice. The ice is starting to move a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. It's starting to break up a bit. Yeah. Well, look at that nice day. There's the path now. You can see it. It's not covered in snow. See? And there is me. Happy, yeah. So I'm going to show you the ice. I'll switch it a little bit. Okay, here I go. See? Oops, that's across the river. See, the ice is breaking up. See? Big chunks, and there's open water. There's lots of open water now. Look at that. And then there's seagulls. There's still a bunch of seagulls. Where are they? They're flying around. They're sitting on the ice there, see? They're sitting there on the ice. Yeah, quite a bit of seagulls there. There's a big group over there. Where are they? Yeah, see them? They're just sitting around. Seagulls flying around. Yeah, there's the bridge. Oh, this is comes out clear. See the bridge, the train bridge, and the path. That's where I came from. The path. Where is it? Way down there. See the path? It's a garbage can. Yeah, and see the open water? There's quite a bit of it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and there's more seagulls sitting over there. See? More and more. Oh, there's a big group there. Lots of open water. Lots of seagulls. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Yeah, it's starting to break up the ice now. Yeah. It looks beautiful, but, the seagulls are crying. Yeah, they're crying. Yeah. There's a better view. It's nice out. A little chilly. I think it's only 2 +2 out. Yeah. But look at that beautiful day. Nobody around here in the park today. No. Nobody at all. Just me and the seagulls. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see a soul yet. Yeah, it's kind of dead Saturday now. Or, yeah, it's always like that in the morning. Yeah, nobody comes, no, nobody's walking or anything. See all the open water there? Ice is slowly moving, yeah. It'll be slowly moving. Yeah. I'll go down there. I'll go down to the river and show you a closer look up. Look, look up. Look at this open water. How much open it is there. And some more seagulls sitting on the ice. Yeah. And then see if I can see some other birds. I seen some yesterday. I think it was a pelican. Yeah, a pelican or a crane. It landed here, but it's probably not here. No, I don't see none. No. I see a bunch of seagulls. Yeah. Lots of seagulls. I don't even see no other birds. No. No, not today. Yeah, there's lots of seagulls sitting there. Sitting on the ice. Yeah, I'll go down there. And I'll show you those seagulls. Uh-huh. There. Okay, I'll switch it again. I'll show you the seagulls. That's all I can see. See how nice it is? Yeah. I'll switch it. There's one seagull. There's some more. There's 3. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 12, 13. See how many seagulls sitting there? And see, there's the open water. It's starting to break up a bit. The ice is not moving yet. See the open water? It goes all the way down. All the way down there, yeah. There's a seagull flying. Yeah. And there's a rock. Yeah. There's the bush. Yeah. And there's more seagulls over there. Lots of seagulls, see? They just sit on the ice. Lots of open water, but see? Boy, it looks nice, but starting to flow a bit. Here's the shoreline. Where's the shoreline? Right here, see? The rocks, dead grass, see? See? Then the seagulls over there in the, just on the ice, yeah. Well, it looks beautiful to me, yeah. Yeah. Well, there's somebody's house. There's some flying. There's one flying there. There's the bridge. People traveling on the bridge today, yeah, going back and forth. I don't know why they come and travel here. Yeah. Traveling on the bridge. Yeah. Yeah, there's my little walk. I just wanted to show you the seagulls. Then the ice breaking up. Yeah. Then the park. And the sidewalk. Or not the sidewalk. The bike path. Yeah. I'll go here. I'll go here. And I'll show you the river again. Yeah. Just how it looks. Yeah. Yeah, see how nice it is. Peaceful, calm. Yeah. Just about there. See, I'll show you the park first. And I'm gonna go here. And I'll show you the open river. Oops. I still got all my thing. There. See this. There. See? There's the bridge. See all the open water? The ice is slowly moving. There's still a lot of ice, but it's slowly moving off the water. Yeah. Slowly going. Yeah. It goes way over there. Okay. See, there's lots of ice, but lots of open water. Yeah, see. All the way down underneath the bridge there. Open water, seagulls and all that. Yeah. I guess that's my There's the some more buildings. There's the lights over there. You see it? The lights. And then there's extra foods. Extra foods. Extra foods. Yeah. There's the path. There's the path. And then it's me. Yeah, come for my glorious walk. Glorious walk. Look how glorious I am. Okay, that's my little walk, and I just wanted to show you the open water, and the ice is starting to move, and just seagulls today. No other birds, no. I never seen no other birds. Okay, bye. Bye.